Hi, Dr. Kondrot here, and I'm broadcasting from the Mercy Ship. We're off the coast of West Africa in Dakar, Senegal, and I can't believe only 2 weeks away for the Vision Event 2020. And I've been spending a lot of my free time. I'm struggling with one of the talks I'm supposed to give, and it's on the top 10 advances of the decade. And I've been flip-flopping, going from one procedure to another, but I think I finally got the list. At least for now, I'm satisfied with the list. I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 traditional medical surgical treatments, and I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 alternative treatments. And I think you're really going to be surprised when you hear my answer. We have a great lineup of speakers. We got Ning Wu talking about microcurrent for life. We got Dr. David Pesic talking about iridology for your health. Garrett Murin talking about the Delta laser, which I highly recommend. And my good friend, Dr. Robert Rowan, is going to speak on ozone. And we have another alternative ophthalmologist, Dr. James McNair, who's going to be talking about his new book, How to Heal in a Healthy Manner. So if you are a patient of mine, if you participated in the Kondrot program, great news for you. This 2-day event, February 15th and 16th, absolutely no charge for you. But if you're not a patient, you're having eye problems, I would highly recommend you attend this event. And it's only a nominal charge of $95 for a 2-day event. And this $95 is going to the Restore Vision Foundation. This organization helps me on these mission trips. My wife and I are self-funded. I don't get paid for being here in Africa for 2 weeks, but we're helping hundreds of patients who are blind, who desperately need some type of help. So go to Vision Event 2020, visionevent2020.com. Register now, get important information to help save your sight, restore your lost vision, and at the same time, you're helping a really good cause. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you at the Vision Event. P.S. I forgot to mention, the event is going to be live streamed. That means you don't have to travel to Florida. February 15th and 16th. You can watch it at the comfort of your home or listen to it on your phone. But you may say to me, Dr. Kondrot, I'm busy on the 15th and 16th. There's something going on. Don't worry. We are going to record everything, and you're able to watch it at your leisure. Everything's going to be recorded, and it'll be on a website permanently for you to watch at your leisure. So, no reason not to attend. I'll see you at the Vision Event. Vision Event 2020.com.